I'm trying to have a serious conversation here.
So am I.
Okay. Well, then how does Callie know your underwear size? Are you two, like, hooking up or something? Why are you laughing? I'd understand if
There's
maybe...
nothing going on between Callie and I. She's just my neighbor. I don't know why she even said that earlier. Wait a minute. Are you jealous?
This man is dangerously charming. No wonder he's got women going crazy over him.
Relax. Relax, okay? We're gonna have plenty of time to get to know each other. You're gonna get to know every single part of me.